We have candle wax spilled onto my grandparents' teak wood cabinet. Now this happened when I blew out the candles and the wax splashed onto the surface. So firstly, I definitely should have known better. Using a candle snuffer is much safer and is to be recommended. But now we need to remove the wax carefully without damaging the wood. So what we did was post in our housekeeping Facebook group to ask for recommendations on the best way to remove candle wax from wood. And we received quite a few suggestions. The method I'm going to try is using paper and gentle heat from a hairdryer. This is actually a Dyson. I'm going to place the paper on the wax, apply some very gentle heat, and see if the paper absorbs the melted wax. Let's see what happens. This seems to be working, so I'll continue. So I think we're done, but let's check. Yeah, that has worked really well. The wax has almost completely gone and the wood looks intact. There's still a few tiny bits of wax left here and there, so I'm just going to use an old plastic card and very gently scrape off. Be super careful if you ever use heat on wood. I only used very gentle heat and the surface itself isn't even warm to the touch. So this method has actually worked well on this teak cabinet. I will say again though, always test carefully first, especially on antique or delicate furniture. So we're all done.